This is Bobby Miles from Texas Skid Steer showing you a 2006 model Doosan 440 plus skid steer loader that we have here for sale at Texas Skid Steer. This is a very nice little machine. It has a 4-cylinder Cummins diesel engine. This machine will lift has a 1,973 pound operating load with a 3,946 pound tipping load. It only has 1,000 hours on it, or just I think it's 1,040 something hours. Just real clean machine. Just really well cared for. Clean inside and out. It doesn't have any problems. Look how clean it is. Auxiliary hydraulics. Just a nice machine. You can go to texasskidsteer.com and look at all the machines that we have for sale. But I wanted to show you this one. We're located outside of Fort Worth, Texas, in Springtown, Texas, on Highway 199. You can give me a call at 817-668-1018. Thank you for watching. Y'all take care.